everybody. I was going to make a cooking video for you today, but a number of factors have compiled to make that a little difficult. The first one, actually, this all started back on the 20th of December, yep, just before Christmas. Our 4.5-year-old refrigerator gave up the ghost. It's a Frigidaire Gallery. After 4 years it quit and we spent $1,000 having it repaired. It lasted for 9 months and went again. So rather than spending another $1,000 for another repair, we decided to buy a new fridge. And we went out on the 21st of December, found a fridge we liked, and ordered it. If we're lucky, they say we'll get it the end of February, maybe the middle of March. So, no fridge. That's the first problem. Now let's go take a look at the second issue. See those buckets there? I've emptied them twice already. That's because 3 days ago we developed a nice drip from our plumbing. Now, right above me is the common wall between the pantry and the master bedroom bath. Well, if there's one thing I loathe about home repair, it's plumbing. No offense to any plumbers out there, I admire you, your patience and your willingness to do the work. But I have never liked plumbing. So anyway, we had this drip down into those buckets, and I called the plumber. He came yesterday afternoon. And after much checking around and looking through, fortunately, the access panel behind the tub, discovered that the valve, or tap, whichever you prefer to call it, for the shower and bathtub got a hairline crack in the casing and was leaking. So he's coming back this morning at 8 o'clock to replace that. He took it apart as much as he could. But because of this, the next thing happened. He had to gain access to the access panel behind the bathtub. And in order to do that, I had to empty out my pantry. And so this is what my kitchen counter looks like right now. And as you can see, there's not a whole lot of room to do any cooking. Hi, Maybell. So that's my sad tale of woe. Hopefully later today, after he's done, he said he'd be here for about 2 to 3 hours to put this new tap in for us. And after he's done with that, I can put my pantry back together, and hopefully next week I can put up a cooking video for you. Well, until then, I hope your luck's going a little better than mine. So until Tuesday with Tuesdays with the Pilgrim, and perhaps a fun fact in between, take care, stay safe, and God bless.